Hey guys, Martin and Belvoro, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be kind of a quicker one because it's a more simple product to show off. But I was sent this from a brand called Sealegend. This is their dryer lint vacuum attachment. It's just a really simple vac attachment with a little adapter on it to attach to vacuums, obviously, for cleaning your dryer vent, but also if you got, for people that follow this channel for detailing, this could really come in handy in some places as well for getting in between and under seats. I'm going to demonstrate it on the dryer though. I've never actually cleaned out the dryer vent. I've cleaned the vent like the one that's part of the house, but never out of the dryer itself. So let me show you how it attaches, then we'll do a quick demonstration. Alright, so this is a little portable Ryobi vac I got. We'll take the hose, this is a smaller hose. Turn it around. And it attaches simply like so. So basically, pull it back, attach the vacuum. You can see mine has the opening's kind of a tight fit. So mine does fit like almost perfectly on there, but different vacuums have different size hoses, so they give you this little thing to create a seal. And there you go. Turn your vacuum on and boom, you got suction. So let's get over to the dryer and see how it works in the dryer. Alright, here's the dryer, here's the vent. In the middle, washing the kids' clothes. I got this crap all over this thing. Vacuum it out and should be able to hear the things getting sucked up in there. Oh yeah, it's getting stuff. Alright, like I said, this is the first time I've ever done that, so let's see if this picked up anything on the inside. Oh yeah. Oh, you see all that lint that it's trapped down there? That's a lot. That just came out of there, so... Ooh. Fire hazard waiting to happen. Pretty cool. Alright, so you saw how freaking easy that was for a $11, $12 vacuum attachment. I don't think that dryer's ever been cleaned out like that, so there's a lot in there. Probably something I should be doing once a year. The vent tubing itself that goes to outside, I have cleaned that out. I just never got into the dryer. Didn't think of it, but, duh, why wouldn't it click in there too? So, pretty cool little tool, handy around the house. It'll attach to pretty much any vacuum hose you got, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, check it out. I'll post a link below to Amazon and to their website. And, if it's something you're interested in buying, if you use my links, that helps the channel out. But I appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.